Good morning, bike and beaches. Today we're off to Altea, to the Old Town. Little windy streets, lots of bars and restaurants, and a church on top of the hill. And there's a great viewing platform up there as well, over towards Alicante. Oh, let's go. This is a map of where we're going today. Altea Old Town. It's a beautiful sunny day here on the Costa Blanca. It's getting a bit hot though. This is July, late July, and we've had it really hot here, so I'll try and get out a little bit more in the morning. So we're not far now. This is one of the small streets. Now we parked up. One of the small cafes, restaurants, and the church in the distance. It's quite early in the morning, so there's a lot of delivery trucks here. This is a fantastic spot, just off that square we came from. That in the distance is Alicante region. What a beautiful view, huh? Another one of the small streets. If you come up here, if you walk down from the main car park right at the end, then you have to walk. I could come here because I was on my motorbike, but this is the church and the steeples. But there's so many restaurants and coffee shops and anything you want, and in the evening it's got a real nice buzz to it. If you like this video, perhaps you'll subscribe and give me a like on the video. It helps me a lot. This is the Bernier Mountains in the distance, and I live the other side of those mountains. What a cool place, eh? Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next one.